Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Imagine stepping into a world where luxury meets serenity, where every day feels like a retreat. This exquisite Geon-built villa is set within an exclusive complex of only 12 units. It was built in 2014. The villa's elevation sets it apart, promising cooler temperatures and breathtaking views that city living cannot match. Yet, the vibrancy of Manor Park is less than a 5 minutes drive, offering the perfect balance of seclusion and convenience. Enter through the double car garage. On the ground floor unfolds open concept living and dining area seamlessly connects a grilled veranda that invites relaxation and contemplation. A modern kitchen, powder room, staff room with an adjoining bathroom, and a versatile open room with a full bathroom complete this level. This additional space offers endless possibilities. Transformation to a ground floor bedroom is one. The sanctuary of the upper level is where the primary bedroom with an ensuite bathroom awaits you. Two additional bedrooms, each with their own bathrooms. One ensuite ensures space and privacy are in abundance. The fully grilled back veranda on this level extends the living space outdoors. Call today to view this piece of paradise. Guys, let's take a look at this home. And please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 815,000 or Jamaican $125.4 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.